So in my hunt to make my B-roll smoother, I found this about a year ago at the thrift store, but it's a walking stick tripod, and because of the length on the end, which this is a telescoping tripod, it really helps make the footage smooth. And then I also have a couple other solutions. I'm going to link where I got this idea from. This right here is a normal tripod, but what you would do is mount your phone like this, or you can do it like this, either way. And I altered it a little bit. I did have to do some different alterations than what the man and the kid, it was a kid in the video, did. I'm going to link that so you can see what he did. This is like the best idea, and it works so good. I'll show you footage with it. And then just adding a strap to my cage and, using that as a stabilizer around my neck by holding it tight away from my body. That works so good. So now I'm going to show you some. So this is with the walking stick tripod. And I'm not using slow motion or anything special, but I really feel like it just adds the most simplest way to get, I just bumped into something, to get smoothness when I'm walking. Gimbals are so expensive, and they really don't even work with the heaviness of the phone I have unless I get like an all-purpose multi-camera type of gimbal, and they're just so expensive. So this is the walking stick tripod. And then this is with the cage around my neck and just pulling it, keeping my elbows close to my body, and the strap tight away from my body. This footage is fairly decent, but these are just the simplest, cheapest ways that I have found to just get stable footage without struggling. Apparently, gimbals are pretty complicated. They have to be calibrated every single time you use them. It's just taking up so much time. So that footage is pretty stable, especially if I was in slow motion. Now let me show you the other. Okay, and then this is the altered tripod. Really check out that kid's video. He did so good. Okay, let me get in position before I say, oh, smooth footage. And I am using a Boya lavalier mic. This is just so much handier, and I'm actually probably going to get way better results. Okay, let me reposition. Than buying a super expensive gimbal that I have to fumble with so much. I really am just feeling like this is going to be fine. Okay, I repositioned just then, so there was some bump. But this way I can get really low shots. I can get really high shots. And I am not walking careful at all, so this would look really good in slow motion. So I just wanted to share that with you because I think these are great ideas. Thanks for watching.